alpha-synuclein post-translational modifications is a field that is not new. Since the early 2000s, when phosphorylation on serine 129 was identified by a Japanese group, we've tried to understand what other post-translational modifications could be taking place in alpha-synuclein. And these are chemical alterations that change different regions of the protein, that can change the folding, the localization, and the function of the protein. And so we think this is very important. And we are very happy to see that Michael J. Fox Foundation just recently had a call for groups to quantify post-translational modifications in alpha-synuclein in human brain tissue. So this really demonstrates that it's an important topic that people recognize. This is potentially relevant in the context also of therapies, because perhaps these modifications are signs of some changes in biology that could be associated with disease. And again, if we understand that, then we might be able to think of therapeutic strategies based on modifying and interfering with these post-translational modifications.